2025 is here, a brand new year, a blank slate, and I'm about to show you exactly how I plan to make it the best year of my life and how you can do the same. If you are new here, my name is Yunus. I run a growth consulting company called hybridscaling.com, where we help agencies and coaches scale their business to multiple six-figure a month by building and implementing our growth infrastructure into their business so they can experience more leverage, which by default create more success. And beside that, I'm also someone who is completely obsessed with personal growth and setting big goals, and 2025 is no different. In this video, I will share with you my exact game plan to dominate in 2025 and how you can take the same step to make 2025 the year where everything changes. And if you stick around until the end, I've got a free Notion template to help you stay on track and crush 2025. Now that you know what this video is all about, let's get into the first step of making 2025 your best year, which is getting crystal clear about what you want. You see, clarity is everything. It is the foundation of success. If you don't know where you're going, how can you expect to get there? And for 2025, I've set clear and specific goals. 1, make 100,000 per month in profit. 2, reach 100,000 followers across all my social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything, all of them. And 3, move to Dubai definitely. 4, retire my mom for good. And 5, run an ultra marathon. These are my goals. Your goals don't need to look like mine, but they do need to be specific. Forget vague ideas like make more money or be healthier. Instead, define exactly what success looks like for you. Then write it down on paper. Make it real. Feel it. Once you are clear on where you want to go, the next question is how you get there. And that's where the second step comes in. Reverse engineering the process. I will be the first one to tell you big dreams are amazing, but they can feel overwhelming sometimes. That's why you need to break your goals down into quarterly, monthly, and weekly steps. For example, if your goal is to scale your business, like me, to 100,000 per month in profit, by the end of Q1, you need to build a strong lead gen system. By Q2, train your team to handle growth. By Q3, scale operation and optimize fulfillment. By Q4, lock in profitability. Reverse engineering the process makes the impossible feel possible. It gives you a clear roadmap to follow on a daily basis. Now, having a plan is one thing. Sticking to it is another. That's where consistency comes into play. And it's what separates dreamers from doers. This is where most people fail. They are consistent for a week or two, or maybe a month. Then life happens. They lose momentum. They think success is about short bursts of motivation. It is not. Success is about showing up every day for 12 consecutive months. Consistency beats motivation all day, every day. So ask yourself this: what's one habit can you commit to every single day that will move you closer to your goals? For me, it's setting weekly reviews and holding myself accountable. And even with consistency, there will be times where your plan doesn't work out the way you expected. That's where the KFC Formula comes in. This one is gold. I first came across this formula while reading the classic book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's incredibly simple and yet powerful. Here's how it works. Okay, know what you want. This is the clarity piece we talked about earlier. You cannot adapt or adjust if you don't know exactly what you are chasing. That's why you need to define exactly what you want. Whether it's scaling your business to 100,000 a month, losing 20 pounds, spending more time with your family, you need to be clear on what you are going after. F, find out what you are getting. This is where you assess the result of your action. Are they moving you closer to your goals, or are they taking you off track? Be honest with yourself here, because it's not about judgment. It's about being aware of what's working or not. And see, change what you do until you get what you want. If your actions aren't producing the results you expect, it's time to tweak your approach. Test new strategies, adjust your routine, and don't be afraid to pivot. And remember this: success is rarely a straight line. It's often a series of adjustments. The KFC formula is the powerful reminder that you don't have to have it all figured out right away. It's about staying flexible, paying attention to what's working, and correct as needed. Now that we have broken it all down, clarity, reverse engineering the process, consistency, adaptation, it's time to tie it all together. And I have something to help you stay on track. Here's the thing: 2025 isn't going to hand you anything, and you know that. But with clarity, action, consistency, it can be the year you look back on as the turning point. To help you stay on track, I've created a free Notion template you can use. It's simple, effective, and it's the same exact system I'm using to crush my goal this year. You will find the link in the descriptions. Now it's your turn. Take the first step today. Drop a comment below with your biggest goal, because I would love to hear from you. And if this video brought you value, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content.